got that turned on. This one's never on. Why is this never on? I've only seen this on about once or twice. Once is in the room. This is. I don't know who would keep their thermostat that high on whenever. I don't know who would like it could be 90 degrees and there's this spider. It's a spider. Ah! Huh.
Spider web.
Yeah. And there's a spider on it too.
Okay, let's keep going. Like I said, keep it rolling. Keep it working.
This Goodman isn't as flimsy as the other one. Oh, I think this is definitely just running. Hey, I'm gonna burn my freaking wings. This is Weather King. Kind of right. This one used to never be on, now it's always. Hi guys. Hi Bob. I know you're fat. I don't know how. This really doesn't sound like this thing is dying. I wish it wasn't though. I like that unit a lot. It sounds worse every time. Oh, something. Oh, never mind. Come on, I want to catch on the turn. No. I'm gonna get better with this. I didn't get a look at this one. These two. 2007 Ford Type K. Oh, that compressor's sweating really badly.
Okay, we're gonna go this way. To the car.
Okay, wait, hang on. Can I just look at these two really fast?
Just those two, that's it.
Okay. Come on, whenever you turn on. Oh.